This is Ritz Carlton, Half Moon Bay, room number 403. And here is how the tour looks like, how the room looks like, not the tour. Okay, get in. They have your luggage arrived before you. So, I believe this is okay. That is the closet with a safe unit. And I love it. Everything is so white, so bright. A lot of light here. Okay, then you go. Here's the TV. And a little stand here with a chair. And we have an ocean view, front view. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh, fantastic. Okay. And right here is the bed. And another bed. 2 full beds. And mirror. Then we go back. And let's get into the bathroom. Okay, fantastic. This is the sink, restroom, and the door. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.